Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about smart sharpening and the use of smart filters. So here I have just a sample image that came with my computer. It's just this autumn leaf thing with sunset in the background. And I'm going to go ahead and come over here and right click on the background layer and go ahead and go to duplicate layer, because you never want to work directly on the background layer. You always want to either turn the background layer into an actual layer or duplicate the layer. And if you want to turn the background layer into a real layer, just double click on it and it's going to come up here with new layer, layer 0, click OK, and now it's a regular layer. It's no longer a background. But I'm going to go ahead and work on this background copy up here. And the first thing we want to do in order to work with smart filters is to come up here to filter and convert for smart filters. It's going to come up and tell you how some stuff isn't going to be editable, and it's going to convert it to a smart object. Now once it's converted to a smart object, we're going to come up here to go to filter, and you can see some stuff is already grayed out because you can't work with smart filters on everything. I'm going to come down here to sharpen, and I'm going to go down here to smart sharpen, and it's going to bring up this dialog box. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to make this ridiculously sharp, like ugly sharp. I'm going to crank up the radius here so you can really tell if we turn the preview on and off, it's really blowing out the blacks in here. It's really actually making it look pretty bad. But I'm going to show you how these smart filters actually work here. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and you can see it turned pretty bad. But look what it dropped over here in our background layer. On a usual filter, it renders out and you can't change anything. But it's actually dropped a layer mask here for you for the smart filter. So now what you can do is come over here, grab your brush tool, make sure you're painting with black, and actually paint out the filter itself. And so you're actually painting away the sharpness. And I'm on 100% opacity here, but I'm going to go ahead and click Control Z here. I'm going to crank this down to 50%. And it's actually going to take that sharpen down by half. And so it's a very visual way of sharpening. Crank your sharpening way up inside the dialog box, then come here and use a brush and actually visually sharpen and unsharpen things. So that's the basics of how smart filters work. It allows you to have a greater degree of control rather than just using a regular filter, which is very damaging to your document because you can't do anything about it once it's applied. But smart filters allow you to come back in here and delete what you don't want, make more subtle what you don't want, and you can actually even delete the smart filter off of the smart objects layer. So it's not even rendering onto your actual layer. So smart filters are a huge addition to Photoshop CS3, and that's just the basics of working with them and using masks for smart sharpening. And I'm definitely going to do more videos on this filter in the future. It has many uses. So be sure to keep on checking back. And for this video, we're going to go ahead and end it there. And I hope you've enjoyed watching, and we'll see you next time.